So in this video, we're going to work on finding a percent of a number. So we've been working with percents and decimals and fractions and converting them into the different forms, and that is going to come in handy today. So looking at this, we're looking at what number of students bring in a specific snack during the day. So if we're looking at cheese and we look at our circle chart over here, our circle graph, so 12% bring cheese in for lunch. So you're going to write 12%. So we're looking for 12% of the 300 students here at PCI as an example. So there's two ways we can do this. The first way is to change this into a fraction. So 12% as a fraction is going to be 12 out of 100. Our of is always going to turn into multiplication, and we multiply by our number of students. Well, if we're multiplying a fraction by a whole number, we got to make our whole number into a fraction. Any whole number has a secret denominator of 1. So when you're multiplying fractions, you multiply straight across. 12 times 300 is 3,600. 100 times 1 is 100. We're going to go ahead and simplify this fraction. I'm going to divide by 100. 3,600 divided by 100 equals 36, and 100 divided by 100 is 1. So, how many students brought in cheese for their snack? 36 students brought in cheese. For cookies, we're going to do the second way you can solve this out. So cookies is 15% of our students. So 15% of 300. We're always going to write out our percent of a number problems this way. We're going to turn our of into multiplication. Our 300 we're going to keep. And our 15% we're now going to put in decimal form, which is 0.15. You're going to multiply straight across using your calculator is 0.15, or 15 hundredths times 300 equals 36. 36 what? 36 students. That is how you find a percent of a number.